We are at a crossroads, Fiona. My pursuit of your land is not greed. It is survival.
Trouble, oh, trouble, what these eyes have seen.
Angel's Ridge is expanding more rapidly than anyone could have imagined.
The Ben acid. Their tyranny's getting worse.
You continue to turn down my generous offers.
My family are 5 abandoned souls, now kin. God gave us this home. Only God can take it away.
I knew I was getting a sermon I would have worn my Sunday finery. Cooperate and guarantee your safety.
You make extortion sound like progress, Constance.
Hell is coming. Mrs. Van Ness has a godless soul.
Find me something that burns.
You are putting us at risk.
We don't stand together. She'll take everything.
This flirtation, it ends badly. For everyone.
This place was meant to be my peace.